We are Northern Power Grid. We're the ones who manage the electricity network that powers everyday life for more than 8 million people across 3.9 million homes and businesses in the North East, Yorkshire and Northern Lincolnshire. At Northern Power Grid, we take personal responsibility in providing you with a safe and reliable electricity supply. Over 90% of our work is undertaken with the electricity switched on, but sometimes we need to switch off your electricity supply to carry out work safely. This is called a planned power cut. Your power is being turned off in order for us to carry out essential maintenance on our electricity network. Due to the needs of our customers growing and changing, we might need to adapt our network to accommodate new technologies such as electric vehicle chargers and solar panels. We regularly carry out essential maintenance of our equipment to make sure it continues to operate and provide a reliable electricity supply to your area. If we don't do this work, it may cause unexpected power cuts later down the line. To do this work safely, we sometimes have to switch off the power. Don't worry if you can't see us working directly outside of your home. Our engineers may be working out in the field or at a nearby substation. We will always give you advance notice when we are going to switch off your electricity supply to allow you to make other arrangements. The letter will include information about why we need to turn off your power and how long it will be off. Your power may come back on at different times to your neighbours. We appreciate that it can be difficult to be without power even for a few hours. To support you during a planned power cut, we'll provide you with hints and tips to help you prepare. You'll find these on the reverse of the notification letter. If you are vulnerable and require additional support, please contact us in advance on 0800 169 2996 for information about our Priority Services membership and to register your needs so that we can try to help. We will do everything possible to deliver a 10 out of 10 service. If at any point you need more information, we're here for you on 0800 587 8865. You can find more information on planned power cuts on our website at northernpowergrid.com/planned-power-cuts.